Yeah. So, hi everyone, welcome to the video. Welcome to the School Youth Ideathon. So, today in this video, we are going to discuss about the video submission guidelines, the YouTube video submission guidelines, and please make sure that you are going to address all the following requirements that we are looking out for the video submission. So first, keeping that in mind, use only your own voice. Don't use AI generated voices, and the background musics are not permitted. All right. And next, also ensure the video duration should be 2 minutes, under 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes. We are going to reject the videos if it is going to be more than 2 minutes, and submit a proper video explaining about your idea and the prototype that you have created. And please do not submit any kind of PPT exported as an MP4 file. Such submissions will be rejected by us. So keep this in mind, explain your idea properly and your prototype as well, and name your file using the format your UID hyphen team name. Example, if we take about, example like your UID is like SYI 12345. Okay, then hyphen, then your team name. If my team name is Team Young Bharat, so then I can name SYI 12345 hyphen Team Young Bharat. So this is going to be your file name that you have to keep and then upload it. All right, and also keep the video size, file size approximately 100 MB, not more than that. Okay, so coming to the next most important thing, the pitch format and the content rules that we want the students to follow. Like first, it should be engaging. The content, the pitch you are performing, it should be engaging, engagement of the video, and also it shouldn't look boring to the person who is watching your video. It should look engaging and not boring to the person. All right, and the team visibility should be there. Each and every member in the team should be involved in the venture, must be visible in the video. That is mandate. Okay, and also there are some few mandatory screens that we want the students to follow while recording the video. In the starting, in the beginning of the video, you should be branding the School Youth Ideathon screen should be there, and it will be shared by us to you. So hardly it should take 3 to 4 seconds to do the branding, to keep the branding of School Youth Ideathon in the beginning. And in the end, ending of the video, we want the students to add the thank you card, to add the thank you note. So we'll share that thank you note with you as well. So please add that. It will be also taking hardly 2 to 3 seconds that you can add that thank you card. All right. And where to submit the video, our team will be providing you the submission link. The Google form will be shared with you. All right. So, okay. So I guess this video is helpful. You have gotten all the doubts clear regarding the video submission, the content and everything. So make sure to subscribe and stay connected with all our social media handles. All right. Good luck. Best of luck, everyone.